So in this video we'll be showing you the new Sam4S Titan touchscreen. This machine really places the SPS-2000 and SPS-2200 touchscreen machines. So it uses SamTouch software on it. The major difference is it runs a Windows operating system, so therefore the network and everything is standard computerized networking if you have more than one machine. So as per most touchscreens, you can basically set these machines up to be whatever you want them to be. So on this side of the screen here is fully configurable. So as you can see on here, this is kind of almost for like a hot food outlet. So these are actually individual products and are main selling products. These are also individual products, and then we've got other products that are not, say for example, as popular, hidden in these buttons here. So this could be for things like starters, mains, and this can have drinks on it, or however you set it up. So with the main advantage of touchscreens and the Sam4S system is it does give you the ability almost to have your own customized till system. So at the top you've got the clerks, which are your operators. So at the moment we've got clerk 5 logged onto the system. We can simply press the product button, and then if they want some hot food, we can press some hot food in. Go back to the main screen, and as you can see here we've got some cold drinks, but then across the top I've also can jump to each one of the screens. So I'm in the ice cream screen now, and I can jump straight to hot food. And again, all this is configurable depending on how you want to set it up. Now in this particular machine, this is set up so obviously the Golf and the orange juice and the whippy are served straight away, and then the half a burger will then go off to a kitchen printer. So the half burger goes off to a kitchen printer once the order has been finalised. That gets produced by the kitchen, and then the order number shouted out, but it could be quite easily be a table number or a spoon system. This machine at the moment doesn't have a receipt printer on it, so we can cancel that, and it's now obviously looking for the kitchen printer. So you've got complete flexibility with these machines, as we mentioned. So we've got 4 screens. Each of them is then being set up for different usage. So there's not many products, so we've spaced them out to try and make it easy. The colour of the buttons can be changed, and here we've even got some future buttons, and also we've got some void buttons. But if you don't want those on your system, you don't have to have them there. The screens are completely configurable to how you want them. In terms of reporting, because it's not limited to the amount of products that you can have, in terms of its memory, you can have barcode scanners on it, multiple cash drawers, and obviously multiple printers attached to it, so you really can build your own customized system. Operator security can be all built into it, and we've set this machine up so that it emulates a SPS machine. So we've got the register mode, so this is like your key lock almost on your cash register. So register, manager mode, general settings, advanced settings. So manager mode contains all your reports, and you can very simply go into the reports, choose financial reports, and each time it will give you a breakdown of which one you want to do. So it could be daily sales, financial, whatever. And you can choose to either print these out. There's lots and lots of features on this, but for general hospitality, as far as it goes, you can basically put all your products onto it, whether it be wet sales pub, dry sales pub, whether it be retail, you can have barcode scanners onto it. You can also do table tracking, which is our terminology for tabs, so it allows you to run tables. You can also have hotel rooms on it, so really, there's always a way around doing something on a touchscreen which gives you far more flexibility over a standard cash register. For more information on the Sam4S model, please contact shopstuff.co.uk.